Finally, I am here in SNR to get milk from here as well, and I will make difference fresh cow milks and milk from SNR. Like, I'm just thinking which I'm going to buy. Arla or what? Let's see. I will decide and I will show you guys what milk I'm gonna get from here. And this milk cost me gonna like 90 for one piece, like 1 liter. Yeah. So finally now I'm here buying bottles for milk. So after this we will pack in milk in bottles, and after that in the freezer. Yeah. Our bottle is coming. So finally I'm here in the counter and I'm going to pay. Thank you. 590 94? 94. 94, okay. So here we got the Dokkan's hall seal. So our Dokkan's and our bottle is there. So let's go to get the milk. Yeah. So I just decide I will get this Brona milk, and we'll check how many fats is it, and I will make yogurt, and I will check the fat, I will check the quality, and yeah, let's see. So let's go. Alhamdulillah, we buy this already, Brona milk, and also Dubai milk chocolate, and we'll taste this also as well and let you know guys how is it. So let's go for now for paying, and there's a counter we have to pay there. Let's go, stay with me. So finally from my old supplier I got milk, fresh cow milk. So let's see how's the milk and how's creamy milk. Yeah, let's go. It's a fresh milk king. Yeah, here you guys, we got our fresh milk, and let's see. So finally, alhamdulillah, I am home and I already put milk. This is fresh cow milk, and let's make yogurt. I'm just making hot for yogurt. Bismillah. And let's wait until more hot. Now it's almost ready for hot, so alhamdulillah, this one is fresh milk from SNR Brona. This is that milk is Brona, and this is cow fresh milk, fresh talaga. And this we buy this one like almost 60 pesos per liter, and this one is 90 per liter, and this is 60 per liter. And let's see how's making yogurt, how is it, how look delicious. Let's see, inshallah. So finally, alhamdulillah, our milk is ready for yogurt. I already put yogurt, mashallah. On white they have fresh milk cow, and this is Brona, this milk on this, and this is fresh milk. Like they have yellowness for cow milk. Yeah, that's why, because it's fresh, that's why. So let's meet after 4 hours. Bye bye. So alhamdulillah, next day, this is Brona milk and this is fresh milk. This is the difference. They don't have a like yellowness. This is fresh milk from like Batangas. So we'll just see. Bismillah. Oh mashallah, bismillah. This is fresh milk cow and this is Brona. Mashallah. Oh.